The sheet of yeast dough is guided into the rotary cutter, where it is precisely stamped into perfect rings.
The beekeeper carefully removes the frame, revealing the intricate honeycomb structure filled with fresh, golden honey.
The frames are loaded into the centrifuge. As it spins, the high-speed rotation forces the golden honey.
As the cups speed along the line, they receive a generous swirl of chocolate ice cream, immediately followed by the rich, dark fudge drizzle.
From the precise measurements for the ice cream mix to the logistical planning of the donut production, every detail is crucial for efficiency.
It's moments like these that make the hard work worth it.
Oh, wow. This chocolate glaze is incredible.
You have to try the cream-filled one.
From the factory floor to the festive table, our commitment to quality ensures every scoop of ice cream brings pure joy.
The process begins with the finest golden honey, slowly cascading onto the creamy base. This
Crispy golden waffle cones are filled simultaneously by these high-speed nozzles, a mesmerizing display of modern engineering.
It's incredible to see the final product being enjoyed. These delicious ice cream bars are the result of careful processing and high-quality ingredients.
Step inside one of the largest honey processing plants. These workers move with precision, loading thousands of
The jars are automatically labeled as they move down the conveyor belt, ensuring a clean finish before the final capping stage. The journey begins as the honey frames arrive. Specialized machinery swiftly extracts the golden liquid.
The perfect pour. Our golden honey slowly cascades over warm, baked pumpkin, mingling with aromatic cinnamon sticks.
This is where the raw honey begins its journey, filtered through a fine sieve to remove any remaining impurities.
The automated nozzles rapidly dispense the thick, golden honey into sterilized glass jars. The capping machine utilizes spinning gripper wheels to quickly and efficiently seal the red lids onto the freshly filled honey jars.
Once the hive is calm, the beekeepers inspect the frames. This golden honeycomb is heavy.
The beekeeper puffs smoke towards the hive entrance. Towards smoke, this calms the
Beekeepers carefully remove the frames, heavy with honeycomb, ensuring the colony remains undisturbed during the harvest.
The beekeeper carefully brushes the last few bees from the comb before placing it into the extractor, ready for the next stage of production.
The beekeepers work quickly to collect the full honey frames, loading the heavy boxes onto the truck before the journey to the processing plant.
The forklift operator expertly navigates the massive stacks, bringing the fresh honey to the extraction line.
At MHPA, or the Massive Honey Processing Academy, we rely on thousands of dedicated bees to create the perfect golden honey.
The frames are loaded into the uncapping machine, where vibrating blades slice off the wax, allowing the pure honey to flow freely. This automated uncapping machine removes the wax cappings, allowing the pure golden honey to flow freely from the combs.
Once loaded, the extractor spins the frames, using centrifugal force to send the thick, golden
Herbs. The worker carefully loads the heavy honeycomb frames into the centrifugal extractor. Once sealed, the machines
Spinning at maximum velocity, the extractor uses centrifugal force to fling the pure golden honey from the comb.
After extraction, the frames are meticulously cleaned by hand, removing excess propolis and wax before being sanitized and returned to the hive.
After extraction, the empty frames are meticulously cleaned and then stacked, ready to return to the hive.
The raw honey enters the system here, moving through this heat exchanger to reach the precise temperature required for filtration and bottling.
The raw honey mixture is heated and then poured into the separator. Centrifugal force spins the mixture, removing the excess wax.
After extraction, the raw honey is carefully filtered to remove any impurities, resulting in this pure, golden strain.
Once the honey is extracted, the remaining beeswax is collected in granular form, ready for its next phase of refinement.
The leftover honeycomb is carefully loaded into this state-of-the-art melting and refining machine. Here,
once extracted, the honey moves through this state-of-the-art facility. Every step from the
processed honey is carefully transferred into large stainless steel barrels for storage. This ensures quality control before shipment.
This stainless steel lobe pump ensures a smooth, continuous flow of golden honey, carefully monitored by our skilled technicians. After extraction, the honey is carefully filtered. This ensures a perfectly smooth, clear product ready for market. In this state-of-the-art facility, automation ensures that every jar is perfectly spaced before it reaches the golden waterfall of honey.
Moving rapidly down the line, these jars are precisely filled with golden honey, showcasing the efficiency of modern food production. Once filled, the jars are rapidly moved to the capping station. This high-speed process ensures peak efficiency in the packaging line.
The automated capping machine ensures every jar is sealed perfectly before moving to packaging.
Here we see the automated capping machine. It ensures every jar of our golden honey is perfectly sealed with the signature red cap before heading to packaging.
Once the honey is extracted, it moves to the high-speed bottling line, where precision machines apply the labels at an incredible pace.
Once the golden honey is securely bottled and labeled, it moves to the packing station, where workers ensure each jar is safely boxed for distribution.
Once the honey arrives at the warehouse, it is carefully transported by our operators to the processing area.
It's a mesmerizing dance of machinery as thousands of bars are coated in this luxurious dark chocolate every hour before heading to the cooling tunnel.
The perfect treat on a sunny day, these delicious ice cream bars bring joy to families everywhere, thanks to a state-of-the-art production process.
After the luxurious dip, a blast chilling process rapidly solidifies the coating, locking in the flavor.
Here at the factory, high-speed production lines use precision nozzles to swirl the perfect amount of ice cream into each crispy cone. Here we see the automated nozzles precisely filling the cones before the final step, the signature chocolate topping applied in a perfect crisscross pattern.
The mesmerizing, rhythmic flow ensures perfect consistency as the freshly made cones are rapidly frozen for preservation.
Here at the factory, precision is key. The automated line fills the cups with chocolate. Here at the factory, efficiency is key. Watch as these robotic arms place the clear domes, sealing in the freshness of every pint.
once the cups are filled and capped, they move rapidly down the line, where our team packs them efficiently into trays for freezing.
It all starts here at the dairy farm. This massive tanker truck can hold thousands of gallons of fresh milk, ready for processing. Once collected, the raw milk is quickly loaded into specialized tanker trucks, ensuring it stays cold during transit to the processing plant.
Inside this state-of-the-art facility, the journey of our ice cream begins with these enormous vats of milk.
To achieve that perfect sweetness, high-quality cane sugar is poured directly into the mixing tank, the first step in creating our signature ice cream.
Milk is delivered into these specialized receiving tanks, essential for handling the large volumes needed for our high-quality ice cream production.
As the milk cascades into the mixer, air is introduced, creating the rich, velvety foam essential for our signature ice cream.
Welcome to the science of made. Stage 1. Ingredients mixing. We begin with a massive infusion of sugar.
First, large quantities of powdered milk are carefully poured into the blending vats, ensuring a smooth, consistent base for the ice cream. The mixture is churned at high speed, transforming the raw ingredients into the smooth, luscious base required for premium ice cream production.
Here we see the stabilizers being introduced into the mixture, preventing ice crystals from forming during the freezing process.
Inside this gleaming stainless steel tank, the mixture is churned until it reaches the perfect consistency. The raw mix enters these massive vats for stage 2, pasteurization and homogenization.
To ensure safety and quality, the mixture undergoes pasteurization, a critical heating process monitored closely by our team. Next, the mixture is pumped through the homogenization system, utilizing high pressure to break down fat globules for that perfect creamy texture. The process begins as the creamy pink mixture is rapidly deposited into stainless steel molds, moving quickly down the conveyor belt. Here we see the strawberry mixture being precisely injected into the stainless steel molds. This high-speed process ensures
It's a symphony of steel and cream.
After pasteurization, the mix is pumped into these towering vats where it is cooled and held at a constant temperature.
In the aging vats, the mixture is churned slowly for several hours. This is crucial for developing the ice cream.
It's a precise process. Our quality control experts sample the mixture, guaranteeing that rich, satisfying flavor in every scoop.
In the lab, every batch of the creamy blend undergoes rigorous testing. Using a pipette,
It's essential to maintain the precise balance of ingredients. This rapid test ensures the pH levels are perfect for the next step in the process.
Before any product leaves the factory, our dedicated quality control workers perform rigorous testing.
Inside the aerator, the thick white base is whipped at high speed, becoming much fluffier and lighter as air is introduced.
Next, the thick mixture enters the aerating machine. This is where air is incorporated, giving the ice cream its signature smooth texture.
The secret to creamy soft serve is the aeration process, where the mixture is rapidly churned with air. Once the mixture is perfectly chilled and aerated, it's carefully scooped into these bulk containers, ready for the next stage of production.
In stage 3, we add the flavors and colors. Here we're making mint, which gets its vibrant green.
The production line moves quickly, filling each mold with the perfect amount of strawberry ice cream before heading to the freezing tunnel.
Here at the factory, we ensure that every batch meets our rigorous standards before the mixture is rapidly cooled and packaged for distribution.
Next, our dedicated team carefully introduces the freshly chopped strawberries, ensuring every batch has that satisfying texture and vibrant color.
To ensure the perfect texture, generous amounts of real fruit are folded into the creamy mixture.
Manners. Here in the mixing area, fresh strawberries are blended into the creamy base. The mixture is
inside the aerator. The vibrant green mixture is whipped to perfection, increasing its volume and creating that irresistibly smooth finish. Here at the factory, precision nozzles dispense the creamy blend into thousands of cups per hour, overseen by our dedicated team. The ice cream is precisely measured and dispensed into sterilized cups at a rapid pace, ensuring every serving is perfect. Here we see the mesmerizing rhythm of the production line, as the chocolate cups are filled and precisely drizzled before heading to the freezer.
the high-speed production line fills thousands of molds per hour with this vibrant pink mixture. Next,
the freshly coated bars now enter the hardening freezer, rapidly brought down to temperature to ensure that perfect texture.
Inside the freezing tunnel, temperatures drop rapidly. The conveyor system ensures a continuous flow, freezing thousands of bars every hour. This mesmerizing process ensures every bar is perfectly coated before moving quickly down the line for wrapping.
Every hour, thousands of these creamy treats travel along the high-speed production line in this state-of-the-art facility. Moving at incredible speed, the ice cream bars are rapidly frozen before heading to the automated dipping station. Here we see the magic happen as the plain ice cream bars get their luxurious coating of thick, swirling milk chocolate. The mechanical precision grips ensure every bar gets a perfect, satisfying coating before heading to the cooling tunnel.
The vanilla bars are rushed through a continuous curtain of rich, melted milk chocolate. This ensures as the creamy centers are enveloped in a perfect layer of rich chocolate, they are rapidly moved to the automated packaging line, ensuring peak freshness.
The process involves careful inspection at every step. This specific batch, designated Tony 98,
ensuring the perfect taste and texture, the quality control team meticulously samples each production run. Only the best make it through.
The journey begins as the freshly molded ice cream bars receive their perfect coat of rich, dark chocolate.
The secret to our ice cream isn't just the ingredients, it's the speed. This line processes hundreds of bars.
The high-speed conveyor belt moves the freshly swirled ice cream to the robotic capping station, ensuring every cup is perfectly sealed for optimal freshness. In this state-of-the-art facility, the ice cream cups are filled and capped at a rate of 500 per minute before moving to quality control. Every hour, thousands of these delicious treats are carefully boxed and prepared for distribution.
The packaging line is a symphony of precision. Robotic arms fold and seal the cartons at a relentless pace.
Once the ice cream is packaged, it is immediately transported to this state-of-the-art freezer warehouse, kept at a constant -20 degrees.
After a rigorous journey through the production line, our ice cream, enriched with golden honey, is ready to be enjoyed. The journey of our famous sprinkled donut begins here, amidst the buzzing lavender, where we source the finest honey for the glaze. While she uses them as goggles now, these delicious honey-glazed donuts start their journey in our state-of-the-art facility.
As the freshly baked donuts travel down the belt, they enter the mesmerizing cascade of the glaze waterfall.
Welcome to the mesmerizing world of industrial baking, where speed meets sweetness on an epic scale.
In this massive facility, precision and speed combine to create the perfect donut, a process we explore now on Discovery. From humble ingredients to these perfectly glazed creations, the donut production line is a marvel of modern engineering.
To create the perfect donut, we combine fresh eggs, sugar, and butter into the flour.
In the mixing area, the specialized hooks vigorously knead the dough, transforming simple ingredients into the perfect consistency for the production line. The journey begins as the ingredients are combined in these powerful mixers, kneading the dough to perfection. In the heart of the donut factory, industrial mixers rhythmically knead the dough until it reaches peak elasticity. The journey begins here in the proving area, where the dough is carefully monitored as it expands, preparing for the fryer. This massive sheet of dough is precisely calibrated by the sheeter, ensuring every donut is uniform before it moves to the fryer. Here we see the dough being sheeted and the excess trim quickly brushed away. This high-speed conveyor system is the heart of the operation.
Satisfyingly precise, these machines can stamp thousands of donuts an hour, minimizing waste by recycling the excess dough.
The journey begins as the freshly mixed dough hits the production line. Here, the precision cutters stamp out.
Next, the racks are wheeled into the proving cabinet. This temperature-controlled environment allows the yeast to work its magic.
The freshly formed dough is carefully loaded into the proving cabinet. Here, precise humidity and warmth.
In the proving stage, temperature and humidity are carefully controlled. This allows the yeast to activate.
The perfectly shaped dough now enters the proving cabinet, where controlled heat and steam help them rise to the perfect size.
This is the proving stage, where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled to ensure the perfect rise before. The secret to a perfect donut lies in the proofing. In this climate-controlled environment, the yeast activates.
Emerging from the prover, the donuts are now light and fluffy, perfectly prepared for their journey into the golden oil. The journey begins as the raw dough is rapidly carried into the shimmering hot oil, where it immediately begins to puff and turn golden brown.
Submerged in the golden hot oil, these donuts are automatically flipped, ensuring a perfectly consistent cook on both sides before they move on to the glazing stage. Freshly made dough rings plunge into the bubbling hot oil. Once golden, they are drenched in a sweet, clear glaze, ready for packaging.
Submerged in the rapidly bubbling oil, the donuts expand and begin their transformation.
Once perfectly fried to a golden crisp, the automated system swiftly transfers donuts on cooling racks. Freshly baked and perfectly formed, these donuts travel quickly along the line, ensuring they reach the ideal temperature before the glazing process begins.
After the frying process, the donuts move along this cooling conveyor belt, allowing the glaze to set perfectly before packaging.
It's a mesmerizing sight. The precise application of the glaze is followed by a rapid cooling process, ensuring every donut is perfect.
Here we see the famous pink waterfall, applying a thick, vibrant strawberry glaze. The process is a waterfall of thick, pink glaze ensures every donut is perfectly coated before moving on to the cooling racks.
After emerging from the fryer, these donuts receive a generous waterfall of glaze, which is then meticulously spread by this high-speed automated brush.
Here, the automated system perfectly coats each donut in a thick layer of chocolate glaze before it moves on to cooling.
The process begins as the freshly baked donuts are plunged into the vat of liquid chocolate, a precise and
to ensure the perfect glaze, the rich chocolate is carefully strained, removing any impurities before it coats the freshly made donuts.
A precise dip ensures maximum coverage. The speed and scale of this operation are truly incredible. After baking, the donuts are rushed to the glazing station, a waterfall of thick, glossy, dark chocolate.
The secret to the perfect cream-filled donut lies in the precision of these synchronized nozzles, injecting thousands of pastries every hour.
Here we see the mesmerizing precision of the filling stage, where fresh raspberry jam is injected into the golden donuts at incredible speed. The chocolate glaze sets quickly before a cascade of vibrant sprinkles adds the final touch to these delicious treats.
After the perfect chocolate bath, thousands of colorful sprinkles are added. This high-speed process ensures a satisfyingly crunchy bite every time.
Here at the Axis Automation Facility, the chocolate glaze is applied with precise volumetric deposits before moving on to the final topping station. As the rich chocolate glaze cools, the automated system applies a generous cascade of vibrant sprinkles, ensuring every donut is perfectly coated.
After the chocolate glaze sets, the donuts are rapidly transferred to cooling trays before packaging.
Once glazed, these donuts are quickly channeled into the automated bagging system, where precision robotics seal in the freshness at incredible speeds.
On this high-speed production line, the donuts are glazed and then carefully placed into boxes by the donut worker before moving to packaging.
It takes precision logistics to keep the production line moving. This refrigerated truck ensures ingredients like
Welcome to the donut factory. It takes precision and speed to create this incredible variety of glazed and decorated treats.
This high-powered torch caramelizes the sugar instantly, ensuring every donut achieves that signature Tony 98 glaze.
From the factory floor to the family table, these treats bring joy to celebrations everywhere.
Once the batch is ready, it's quickly moved to the serving line, where the perfect scoop is crafted fresh for every cone.
This beautifully arranged cheese board highlights the versatility of our pure, golden honey.
The creamy texture and vibrant flavors make ice cream a universal favorite, bringing smiles to faces young and old.
The process begins with the perfect scoop. Our creamy vanilla is loaded with rich chocolate chips before heading to the packaging line. From the factory floor to the happy customer, every scoop is carefully crafted to ensure the perfect blend of flavor and texture.
To guarantee the highest quality, the radiant honey is carefully filtered through this sieve, maintaining its smooth, viscous texture. Inside the extractor, the combs are spun at high speed. This satisfying process ensures every drop of this liquid gold is collected,